Justine from the Arts College, and we're just having a look at what our students have been doing for the month that they've been really inspired, and we're just going to take a jump into see. So students have been finishing their actual portraits, paintings that they've been working on for quite some time. And the whole process was that they got to actually build up acrylics and layers, and then the last process was to add felt tip pens on top of that so that they could actually create 3-dimension. And then the next part of July that we've been working through is actual drawing inks, where children had to actually plan their landscapes out first and work out the landscape of the actual barks of the trees and come up with phenomenal creative projects, and then transfer that onto special ink paint paper so that they could then actually create the images. And as you can see, the paper is really absorbent, and it creates a lovely effect when we're adding all those inks together, because it just spreads around beautifully and melts together. So really proud of the